What's going on, Nashville? It's your favorite trainer, Gerell Webb. And I've been getting bombarded with a ton of emails, text messages, Facebook posts, phone calls about this popular documentary about becoming a vegan. Now, what I want you to know about becoming a vegan is first, what is a vegan? A vegan is someone who doesn't eat animals or animal products, versus a vegetarian who doesn't eat animals but still may consume some animal products like eggs, cheese, milk. A vegan lifestyle has many health benefits and can be very beneficial. What I want you to know is you can't treat this diet as a one-size-fits-all approach like most diets. A vegan diet can be great for persons struggling with diabetes, pre-diabetics, high cholesterol, or high blood pressure. But what about those of us who aren't quite ready to give up meat yet? Does that mean that we're doomed and that we're gonna have a life full of health complications? Does turn into a vegan automatically make you healthier? The simple answer to that is no. You can still be unhealthy and be a vegan. You can still be very healthy and eat meat. What I want you to take away from this segment is something that you have options. The options are cut out processed foods, limit your fried foods, limit your sugar intake, limit your sugary drinks. Processed foods are foods with more than 5 to 6 ingredients. By cutting that out, you take away the chances of your body getting sick. From this segment, simply remember your options. Your options are that you can be healthy and still eat meat. You can be unhealthy and still not eat meat. The choice is yours, but you have options. My goal for you is simple, and that's to be able to make an educated decision on whatever lifestyle you choose. Once again, I'm Gerell Webb, and this was your Wellness Wednesday.
Thanks, Gerell. You know, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor first before making any major dietary changes. We're going to be seeing more health and fitness tips from Gerell in the weeks to come.